today. What's inside a woman's bag? A woman can use the following bags: doctor's bag, tote bag, bucket bag, handbag, crossbody bag, sling bag, shoulder bag, wristlet, clutch bag. Now, I'll show you what's inside my bag. I have a green leather handbag, which I bought from Giordano. First, you will notice this. It's a hand sanitizer holder. Inside is a hand sanitizer. It's actually a must for everyone, given our situation now. Let's open my bag. This is the zipper. The first thing that you can see is an all-purpose tissue. I can't go out without this. These are my keys, my house keys, and my car key. This is an umbrella, or sometimes called as a parasol. Did you know that an umbrella has the same function as a parasol? It's just that a parasol is used to protect oneself from sunlight. It looks like this. An umbrella, on the other hand, is used to protect oneself from rain. Now let's move on. I have a coin purse where I would normally put my coins. This is an eyeglass casing. Next is a cologne. I have a Victoria's Secret body spray. I love the scent. Of course, a lotion is a must too. In the next compartment, I have my hairbrush. This is a wooden hairbrush. Next to it is my charger and my phone. So for me to have a glowing and healthy skin, I got myself these sunscreen and face cream for my face. This right here is my wallet. It's a long wallet with so many card holders inside. I'm not going to open it for privacy purposes. I also have these cosmetics. It's a girl thing, you know. And I also have these hair accessories. I have ponytails and clamp. Inside this pocket right here is where I put my earpods. It's cute, isn't it? I love the color. Well, that's it. I'm so glad I was able to show you what's inside a typical woman's bag. I'll see you around soon. This has been the Let's Say English ESL for everyone. Don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe buttons. See you again later.